Hello students, welcome back to another flipped classroom. Now we've been learning about decimals and we're going to learn something new about them today. But first, let us do a recap about something we have learned in the past. We will be focusing on multiplication for our recap. Let's take a look at this question. I have with me 597 multiplied by 2. I would like you to work out this multiplication question. You may pause the video, but I'm going to give you time to try this on your own. I will get back to you in a moment's time. Alright, I'm back. If I was too fast, pause the video and continue trying. If not, let us see whether your answers are the same as mine. I have this algorithm that I worked out. Did you get that answer? Alright, that's a simple multiplication question. Now, let's move on to what we will learn today. Today, we are learning to multiply decimals. Let's take a look at our first question. Let's say we have a sack of rice that weighs 2.1 kg and we buy 2 sacks of it. How heavy would it be altogether? Now here's our first one and the next one. And from here, we can see that each sack of rice weighs 2.1 kg. Let us start to multiply them. Step 1. Let's multiply the 10th by 2. Here's our algorithm. 1/10 times 2 equals to 2/10. Step 2. After multiplying by the 10th, let's multiply the ones by 2. 2 ones times 2 equals to 4 ones. And now we will get 4.2 as our answer. So 2.1 times 2 equals to 4.2. Let's move on to another question. In this question, the place value 100 has a digit. We need to multiply them in a different manner. We have 12.35 times 7. Step 1. We will multiply the 100th by 7. 500 times 7 equals to 3500. Wait a minute, I believe 3500 can be renamed as something else. If you recall, 10 hundredth equal to 1/10. So 3500 equals to 3/10 and 500. Let me show you in the algorithm. Step 2. We now multiply the 10th by 7. 3/10 times 7 equals to 21/10. Wait a minute, let's not forget to add the 3/10. We now get 24/10. And I believe we can rename them again. 24/10 equals to 2 ones and 4/10. Let's show that on the algorithm. Step 3. After the 100th and after the 10th, it's time to multiply the ones by 7. 2 ones times 7 equals to 14 ones. Let's add the 2 ones. Let's do the renaming. And we will get 1/10 and 6 ones. Can you guess what is step 4? Yes, for step 4, we multiply the tens by 7. 1/10 times 7 equals to 7 tenths. And we add the 1/10 as well, and that will give us 8 tenths. If I were to write the algorithm all together, it should look something like this. And our answer will be 86.45. Now let's work on another question. This time, I would like you to work on it on your own. Let me show you the algorithm at the beginning. To help you, I will provide you some tips and steps so that you can use them to help you solve this question. I encourage you to pause this video and work on it on your own. Here are the steps to help you. Alright, I'm back. I trust that you have completed this multiplication on your own. Let's look at my algorithm. I did all the steps that I have stated, and this is what I have. So 7.16 times 9 equals to 64.44. Did you get that answer? Alright, let us try another question. This time round, I will not provide any tips or steps because I believe each and every one of you can do this on your own. Just like the previous question, you may pause this video to work out the multiplication, and I will get back to you in a while to check those answers. Alright, I am back. Let me show you the algorithm that I have. Did you get that answer? 11.37 times 5 equals to 56.85. With this question, we come to the end of this video. However, I have something for you. Before we leave, there's a little something for everyone to complete. I want you to use this website link and head to Koobits. I will see you there.